Hey, Facebook, YouTube. Hope you guys are having a great day. It's a little rainy out here, but other than that, not too bad. But let me show you guys what we're doing. We were actually doing 8 areas with the pet treatment on the bottom level with our Pet Pro package, which is $45 per area. And then they did move the furniture for me. That's required. So we're treating this area with a Pet Pro package, and we're gonna clean it, as well as their dining room in this little hallway area. So yeah, we're gonna make this look better. You see some doggy spots there. We're gonna take care of that for them. And then we got the steps. We got technician vacuuming now. And we're not gonna do anything up here, but we do have some additional areas. Got a bedroom. You can see they do have some ruffles there, but that's cosmetic. We got a hallway, this bedroom, that bedroom. Yeah, and that's gonna do it, these steps. So again, that is $60 per area for the cleaning, and then $45 for the Pet Pro package for 2 areas. And that's gonna be a wrap. All right, guys, stay tuned, and we'll show you some results. All right, Facebook, YouTube, I am finished. We just wrapped up, and the client loves it. And yeah, responded very well. Pretty excited about it. Hope you guys are having a great day. This is the after work. We did a total of 8 areas at $60 per area. And then they did the Pet Pro package for only 2 areas at $45 per area for that. So yeah, it looks real good. Responded very well. To this area. And of course the dining room and a little bit of hallway there, and took care of their steps. That all responded well. And of course the additional areas upstairs, but I'm not gonna walk on that because it's still drying. So, all right guys, thanks for watching. That is the after work. It smells divine. It's called Beachy Peachy. And again, the client loved it. And yeah, we're on the next job. We got 2 more on the books today. Due the holidays, people are, lining us up. We're about 2 weeks booked in advance, so if you need our service, give us a call. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.